You know I can arrest you right now if I wanted to.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Seriously, I'm sorry. I literally...
On July 7th in Florida, a 21-year-old woman riding a Kawasaki Ninja 400 motorcycle was stopped by police after being observed traveling at dangerous speeds through city streets. Officers clocked the rider at 86 miles per hour while she engaged in aggressive lane splitting and dangerous maneuvers, creating serious risks to herself and other motorists on the road. The woman had owned the motorcycle for less than 2 months and admitted she was taking videos while riding, demonstrating a dangerous lack of attention to the road and her surroundings. Under the Fourth Amendment, police may conduct traffic stops when they have reasonable suspicion of violations. The observed speeding and reckless lane changes provided clear legal justification. The Supreme Court case Whren versus United States established that any traffic violation gives officers probable cause to stop a vehicle, regardless of the officer's subjective intentions.
4 Delta 11 Central. I got her stopped here at Glen Mariah and Rock Bluff. Really?
What?
Why are we driving that fast?
Oh, I'm sorry.
That absolutely not. You got your driver's license on you?
I don't have my backpack on me. I have a picture.
All right.
Literally, look at me, bro.
Like, why? Like, why are we going that fast?
I'm sorry. I was just taking videos and I just got caught.
That's very dangerous.
I know, I'm sorry.
You know I can arrest you right now if I wanted to.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Seriously, I'm sorry. I literally got this bike like 2 months ago.
All right.
Not even 2 months ago.
Like, I get it. It's a bike. It's exciting, but like you're out here and I'm watching you do these lane split changes and they're dangerous. You can hurt. You can kill yourself and you can kill other people.
I'm really sorry. I'm new to this, so you know the adrenaline stuff.
And what state is your driver's license out of? Florida?
It's from Puerto Rico.
Okay.
Yeah, I barely moved here too.
Okay. All right. Just hang tight with this officer for me.
I flashed at you to slow the hell down.
I did not see you.
You waved at me.
I did not wave at you. What?
Okay.
No. I had a car next to me.
I got you.
And I'm friends with them. They were taking videos of me.
I get you. I mean, I'm not worried about you going anywhere. You're on 400.
Huh?
So I'm not worried about you going anywhere. You're on 400. I have a 400 at the house.
I took my keys. I was not going to run away. Come on.
You ain't going to get far.
Huh?
You ain't going to get far.
I know. It's my first bike, man.
Have you wrecked wearing stuff like that before?
No.
I'd buy leathers if I were you.
Yeah, I know. This is my first gear, the boots. I recently moved here, so I don't have the money yet.
I got you.
You know.
I wouldn't go 86.
Huh?
I wouldn't go 86 miles per hour. I've been riding bikes for 20 years and I've fallen a lot.
I did not go 86.
So what do you got you at?
I wasn't even in first gear. I wasn't even in fourth gear. In fifth gear to go on 86.
Tell me more about what did you see her doing for a violation?
So, I was going in the southbound and the 2700 block or northbound, and she was coming southbound, and I clocked her at 50.
Okay.
And I turned around. As soon as I turned around, she booked it.
Okay.
I was trying to catch up to her. She's over here doing dangerous lane splittings.
Did you have your lights and sirens on?
I did.
Did she see that?
No, there was no way she could have saw that.
Okay, that's why I'm asking you.
Yeah, it wasn't 12F. It was just reckless driving.
What would you say caused it reckless? Just the speed in and of itself?
The speeding, and she almost clipped numerous vehicles.
Sounds good to me.
Traveling at high rate of speed, so. All right, ma'am, go ahead and step off the bike for me.
Can you helmet?
Can you take off your helmet?
What's gonna happen?
Well, he's going to explain
I'm going to explain everything to you. Put your hands behind your back for me.
Hand me your helmet.
Wait, can I?
Do that.
You're going to do that first.
Yep.
Yeah.
You're gonna arrest me?
Yep.
Give me your helmet.
For
Give me
what?
your helmet first.
Yep.
For what? What
Just gonna explain
happened?
that.
I'm going to explain everything to you.
My back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Bro.
Have you not heard about the new law?
No, what? Dude, I recently moved here.
Go explain it.
Yeah, go explain
I
it.
haven't even become a Florida
Glad you
citizen
perform.
yet.
Yep.
I'll tell her.
Okay.
The reason you're being arrested, okay, is for reckless driving. All right. And then you also are operating a motorcycle without an endorsement. You do not have a valid license.
Yeah, I'll take it off for you. Just give me a second. He'll help you with it.
Wait, why couldn't I have gotten a ticket? Like,
So,
why am I?
so we're not going to give you a ticket based on the circumstances and what I observed. Your driving behavior, okay, it's reckless. So I have an option because it's a criminal infraction.
Couldn't I have like at least a warning? Like I haven't even got the bike for more than a month, and I'm being arrested. Like I don't even know the Florida laws.
That's not an excuse for your behavior driving.
I wasn't even going over. Like I wasn't even in 5th gear, sir.
4 Delta 11 Central.
I told you, based on what that officer had observed.
Is there a female officer available to assist with the search?
We got 2 things going on here that are criminal. That there's too much wrong with them. When you go somewhere, you have to obey their laws. Just like if I go to Puerto Rico or another country, I can't go, I don't know them, and break a bunch of them.
Yeah, right? Well, I mean, I don't know. I didn't know.
That's not an excuse.
Yeah.
What?
It's not an excuse. It's your job to know the laws and the rules of the road.
So
when you are operating a motor vehicle, and because of your behavior, these are the consequences. Okay.
So I was lane splitting. You guys saw me.
That's incredibly dangerous.
Saw me for like once, and I lane split in front of my friend.
Okay.
And I went in front of my friend. That was it. When you guys saw me, I went to a.
They got one around 41.
Huh?
10-4, thank you.
What?
There's a female that, do you want me to take this off of you?
Officers discovered the rider lacked a motorcycle endorsement on her license, a violation of Florida Statute Section 322.12, which requires specific certification to operate motorcycles. The rider was arrested and charged with reckless driving under Florida Statute 316.192, which prohibits willful or wanton disregard for the safety of persons or property. Reckless driving in Florida is a criminal misdemeanor that can result in up to 90 days in jail and fines up to $500, plus a permanent criminal record that affects employment. Officers demonstrated professionalism by educating the rider about motorcycle safety, recommending proper protective gear, and explaining the serious dangers of high-speed, inexperienced riding. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 can reach 120 miles per hour, with acceleration from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds, making it a powerful machine requiring proper training. Multiple officers arrived on scene because the rider had initially failed to stop, traveling nearly 2 miles before pulling over, which raised concerns about potential flight risk and officer safety.
What were you gonna say?
There's a female coming to do a search of you before we put you in the back of the car.
What?
I know, but she has to do that.
She has to do it.
Anything. Look at me. I don't even have.
Well, we got you. Well, we're gonna do our job, okay?
Yep.
So, do you want him to take the ski mask off for you? You want me to?
This is so excessive, man.
Okay, we'll let her talk to you then.
This is so. Oh my god.
Put her back in the car in the meantime.
Keep her right here just till feet.
Okay.
I feel like there's way more motorcycle people that were driving way worse right now, and I'm being put on this right now.
Okay.
Well, I'm telling you.
Did you guys not see the 1K?
That's unfortunate
before
that you don't think that that's dangerous what you're doing.
I went in front of my friend. Like.
You did more than that. You're not gonna downplay it like you weren't almost about to cause a fatal accident. Okay.
What the hell? Sir.
You're definitely not a candidate for anything but a physical arrest, in my opinion. But the fact that you don't think anything you did serious is concerning to me.
No, I do, but I feel like this is so excessive because I genuinely.
Your driving behavior was excessive.
That's excessive.
All right, I'm sorry, man.
That's okay. The bike's going to go to Aero Towing, so when you get out, you can pick it up.
It's going to be a tow yard. I can get to the address.
I'll show all the information, okay?
Guys, I seriously don't know anything.
We'll explain it to you.
And you guys are.
Well, we'll explain it to you how the process is going to work.
I work tomorrow morning too.
Okay, I got you.
I work at 6 a.m. Like, what is going to happen? I do.
You want it to go with you?
Obviously, like, am I going to leave it with you?
Well, no, I have to ask something.
I don't even have my, like, the Florida numbers here memorized of my family or anything. Like, I'm genuinely from Puerto Rico.
I'll put your phone over here so that we take it with us, okay?
I have my friend on the phone. Can you put me on speaker?
No.
What's going on?
No.
Bro, you guys are treating me like a straight up criminal.
You're going to get the call at the jail, okay?
Get out there, you're going to get to call her, okay?
From my phone?
Well,
I don't know her
you're going to use their phone.
They'll let you see the phone to get the number. They're going to let you use their phone. Anything else you want from your bike?
My gloves? I don't know. Like, what?
Yeah, they can go with you.
Yeah, they can go with you.
Yeah, the helmet can't because they won't let us take you that, but everything else probably can.
Where am I ever going to go?
With the bike.
It's going to go to the bike, to the tow yard.
What? Why is it going to a tow yard? Can't I have someone pick it up?
Who can come pick it up?
Can they be here in 15 minutes?
Let me call. Can I call them? They
Where are
live
they
right
at?
there. They live right there.
Where?
Near Baskin Robbins.
We don't have a Baskin Robbins. It must be in Daytona Beach.
This is Daytona Beach.
No,
This is
you're
Daytona
just
Beach Shores.
Yeah, you're just south of it.
Man, see, I don't know anything from here.
I know that.
All right, they can pick it up right now. Can you guys
She doesn't have a license.
call real quick and not waste the time
No
that I
license.
have?
No nothing.
Yeah, I don't have my backpack, man. Like, if I had my backpack, I would have given you.
Well, you don't
papers.
have a driver's license either to be operating this motor vehicle. So
Who's the bike registered to? Oh, okay. She just doesn't have a license. Okay.
But you'll be able to get out to
What's the new Florida law that you guys were talking about?
what new law?
the speeders law, I think that Seth was talking about earlier.
That's like for a speeding infraction. We're not really using that. We're concerned about the reckless driving and not having the motorcycle endorsement.
You guys told me that.
I didn't.
We did it.
You did.
I didn't.
Someone did.
I don't know who someone did. It wasn't me.
One of you guys said,
Okay.
"Oh, you don't know about the new law?
Have you not heard about the new law?
So what's that one? What happens with that one?
With what one?
Well, the new law that you guys were saying.
Mandatory court dates
Yep.
for certain speeds. It has nothing to do with what you're getting charged with.
What am I getting charged with?
Reckless driving and operating a motorcycle with no endorsement. 2 criminal infractions.
How much is that?
Well, it's not a fine.
It's not a fine.
Good.
It's a
court
charge.
for it, okay, when you get out, and that's up to a judge what they want to do. What I would do when you get done here, get a motorcycle endorsement, show them that stuff, explain to them what happened. I would not tell the judge what you told me, that it was safe what you're doing. He
I
will
didn't
not-
say that.
Okay, you're saying. All right.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Well, that's how I'm interpreting
I'm
it.
sorry. No, I did not say that. Obviously
Make
not.
sure you don't tell that to a judge, because he won't like that. Just explain to him, truthfully what happened, and it's up to him to whatever he wants to do. Okay. I'm just waiting on a female to come search you, then we're gonna get you over there at some air conditioning. Hello.
I don't have anything on me, so I don't know. Nothing. What was the point? No, look at me.
She still got to search it.
Okay. Alright. Your name there?
Make sure you do an inventory of that bike.
Okay.
That there was a fake ID or something
Yeah.
on there or something.
Yeah, I'll have to-
I could see that. That says she didn't want anyone to know that. Once she's gone. for
Yeah.
inventory.
Was it necessary all these cop cars?
Was your driving necessary?
No, I'm sorry, but my bike is a 400. I wouldn't gotten anywhere if you were guys to chase me. Like, it doesn't even go past 100. I wouldn't have gotten anywhere. Even he said it. He had a 400, right?
I have a DRZ 400 in my house.
You know. I wouldn't have gone anywhere.
Didn't drive.
She tried for a little bit. All good? Thanks.
I didn't take her shoes.
I can take them off at the station if you guys want.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, come this way.
I don't know what I could be hiding in
Thank you.
here, but.
Yep.
You guys have my phone?
Yep, phone's going with you.
I got it.
How is this?
Put the seatbelt on you for safety reasons. All right. Yep. Oh, move your head. There we go.
Bruh, no way. Well,
So that happened.
Through plea negotiations, the reckless driving charge was reduced to careless driving under Florida Statute 316.1925, a traffic infraction rather than a criminal offense. The charge for operating without a motorcycle endorsement was dismissed, and the rider was ordered to pay $266 in fines and court costs, avoiding jail time and a criminal record. This favorable outcome demonstrates prosecutorial discretion and likely considered the rider's age, lack of criminal history, cooperation with officers, and willingness to accept responsibility. First lesson. Operating any vehicle, especially a high-performance motorcycle, requires proper licensing, training, and constant attention. Taking videos while riding is extremely dangerous and illegal. Second lesson. Speed limits and traffic laws exist to protect everyone. What feels exciting and safe to an inexperienced rider can be deadly to themselves and innocent people on the road. Third lesson. When stopped by police, immediate cooperation and honesty work in your favor. This rider's eventual compliance and respectful attitude contributed to a more favorable outcome in court. Final lesson. Invest in proper safety gear and professional training before pushing a motorcycle's limits. Leather protective equipment and expert instruction can literally save your life on the road.